Hello, this is Professor Fritz Umbach, and today I want to chat briefly about the importance of using synonyms in keyword searches within academic databases of secondary literature and the value of search phrases rather than search terms in such databases. So today I'm going to start with a hypothetical but rather realistic search that a student might do in an honors capstone project. Let's say a student was searching for the topic of police violence. And they do an EBSCO search, and you'll see that using the search terms police violence turns up a large number of articles. But you'll see, as this first article indicates, that what that turns up is any article that uses the words police and violence in the article. And that's an extraordinary number of articles that aren't actually related to what the student was interested in. If, on the other hand, the student puts quotes around the phrase police violence, that tells the database to search for words in that order. Just the phrase police violence, as opposed to police and violence anywhere in the article. And if we do a search like that, we get a smaller number of articles, and they're more focused on what the student's actually interested in. So that tells us the value of search phrases rather than search terms. But there's a more important issue to be attentive to, and that's the issue of synonyms. Police violence is not, in fact, the phrase that's most commonly used to describe the phenomenon. If we take a look at this Google Ngram, you'll see that police violence is not used nearly as frequently as police brutality, that within the field, police brutality is the more frequently used phrase. So let's go back to our search database and change the phrase from police violence to police brutality and see how many articles we get. So rather than 651, the phrase police brutality turns up 4,122, a much larger evidentiary base for any research project within that topic.